I've been getting comments on my videos about affordable housing. Well, today I'm going to show you homes for as low as 50 million. Yes, I said it, 50 million Ugandan shillings. My name is Praise, and if you're new here, I'm a real estate agent in Uganda, and you're watching Ask Praise, your complete resource for anyone looking to buy, sell, invest in the Ugandan real estate market. We featured this developer in our previous videos, and that's the Gwoji Group company. They are the faces behind Mirembe Villas Chigo. The Gwoji Group has also set up so many projects in African countries such as Malawi, Mozambique, Sierra Leone, and Zambia. Today we're at Mirembe Estate Sentema, built with you, the local Ugandan, in mind. Let's take a look. Mirembe Estate Sentema is built by Gwoji Group in partnership with Buganda Kingdom. It's located in Sentema town in Wakiso district. The project covers over 55 acres of land, accommodating at least 400 units. The concept of Mirembe Estate Sentema is to build a well-planned, affordable gated community in a good geographical location with supporting facilities such as a shopping mall, restaurant, clinic, gardens, and kids play area. Sentema is an up-and-coming area. It's in close proximity to Kampala city centre, approximately 26 kilometers. We've seen a lot of growth in Sentema, partly to do with the anticipated crude oil production in Hoima, which is a neighboring town. Major businesses have set up, such as fuel stations and factories, creating new jobs and boosting the local economy. As a result, we'll also see local population growth. Hardware shops are popping up, which is an indication that there's a lot of construction happening. You've got links to Kampala City Centre and Entebbe International Airport using the Kampala Northern Bypass. Public transport links are also very good, taxi parks and border stages. The neighborhood has some decent local schools. Plans to work on Sentema Road all the way to the project are underway. You have seen the overview and the background of the company behind the project. Now, I'll give you a breakdown of the properties. The properties come in 3 different types: 1, 2, and 3-bedroom single-story townhouses. Prices start from $14,000 in Ugandan shillings, 51 million, to $40,000 in Ugandan shillings, 148 million. Let's start with a 1-bedroom single-story townhouse. It's priced at $14,000 in Ugandan shillings, 51 million, with a house area of 40 square meters and a compound area of 118.8 square meters. It features 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, a living room, kitchen, dining, and 2 parking spaces. Walking in through the front door, you'll find a living room with an open-plan kitchen and dining area. Walking to the left from the open-plan kitchen, you'll find a shared bathroom. Continuing down the hallway, you'll see the master bedroom. It's spacious enough to fit a 5x6 bed, a dresser, and a reading chair. Heading to the rear of the property, you'll find a kitchen door that gives you access to the backyard. The backyard has enough space for a sitting area and a barbecue area. For us Ugandans, we love a good sigiri. The front yard has 2 parking spaces and a garden area. The 2-bedroom single-story townhouse is priced at $26,000 in Ugandan shillings, 96 million. It has a house area of 72 square meters and a compound area of 170.1 square meters. It features 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, a living room, kitchen, dining, and 2 parking spaces. Walking in through the front door, you'll find a living room with an open-plan kitchen and dining area. On On the right from the open plan kitchen is the master bedroom. Heading back down the hallway, you'll see a shared bathroom and toilet. You'll then end up in the second bedroom, which could be for the kids or guests. The rear of the property is the same as the one bedroom, with backyard space enough for a sitting area and a barbecue area. The front yard has 2 parking spaces and a garden area. The 3-bedroom single-story townhouse is priced at $35,000, in Ugandan shillings, 129 million. The house area is 87 square meters and the compound area is 226.8 square meters. It features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a living room, kitchen, dining, and 2 parking spaces. Walking in through the front door, you'll find a living room with an open plan kitchen and dining area. To the right from the open plan kitchen, you'll find the first of the 3 bedrooms. Continuing down the hallway to your right is the second of the 3 bedrooms. On your way out, the first thing you'll see is the shared bathroom and toilet. And lastly is the ensuite master bedroom. The rear of the property has enough backyard space for a sitting area and a barbecue area. The front yard has 2 parking spaces and a garden. At the time of filming, the house was still under construction. We'll be back for an update. The 3-bedroom detached townhouse is priced at $40,000, in Ugandan shillings, 148 million. The house area is 87 square meters and compound area 226.8 square meters. It features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a living room, kitchen, dining, and 2 parking spaces. The layout is the same as the 3-bedroom single-story townhouse. This project is targeted for people that passionately want a home but may not qualify for mortgage loans. That's for the low to middle income earners, people in formal employment, or small-scale businesses. We've seen the background of the company behind the project, the different house types and prices. Next is the available payment plan. Let's use an example of a 1-bedroom house priced at $14,000. In Ugandan shillings, 51,800,000. The payment terms are broken down as follows. Step 1. Book with 10% of the house price. 10% of $14,000 is $1,400. In Ugandan shillings, 5,180,000. Step 2. Complete the remaining 90% in a period of 24 months, which is $12,600 US, in Ugandan shillings, 46,620,000. Your monthly installment will be $525, in Ugandan shillings, 1.9,042,500. This payment plan is perfect for anyone earning between $800 to $1,300 per month. In Ugandan shillings, 3 to 5 million. We have seen the background of the company behind the project, the different house types and prices, the available payment plan. Next is the frequently asked questions segment. There are no limits to how many homes you can own. You can own as many properties as you can afford. Step 1. Schedule a site visit. You can do this by calling us. The contact details are in the description below. Step 2. Fill in a house application form. This can be found on our website or contact us and we shall email an application form to you. Step 3. Sign paperwork, that is a sales agreement. Step 4. Make payment. You'll need a national ID or passport of the buyer. On average, it takes 2 to 3 days. You can appoint someone you trust or you can use our services. It It's always the home buyer who pays stamp duty, not the seller. Stamp duty is 1.5% of the property's value. If your property's value is $14,000, stamp duty will be 1.5% times 14,000, which is $210. In Ugandan shillings, 777,000. The services provided are rubbish collection, power and water maintenance, landscape maintenance, and 24-hour security. The facilities are a shopping mall, restaurant, clinic, garden, and kids' play area. You can only take possession once the payment has been fully completed. The type of ownership offered is a 99-year leasehold which is renewed automatically. Transfer of the title deed shall be started when the purchaser has settled 100% of the total house price. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel for more. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!